Amarena Cherry is a classic, iconic gelato flavor, and it's incredibly easy to make, especially once you've mastered our Fior di Latte recipe. It's a beautiful gelato that can be enjoyed any time of year. Amarena cherries are small, dark, Italian sour cherries preserved in syrup, most famously produced in Bologna. They have that perfect balance of sweet and tart, which pairs beautifully with the creamy Fior di Latte base. You can find a number of good options online or in specialty stores. My preferred brand, the one used in this video, is listed in the video description below, along with the recipe. You can also find this recipe as a public recipe in our app, Gelato Lab, linked below. Let me show you how quick and easy this recipe is. Let's get started. I like to chop the cherries slightly so they distribute more evenly throughout the Fior di Latte. Typically, you'll want about 20 to 30% of the Amarena cherries and syrup total in the finished gelato, which gives you plenty of cherry flavor while keeping the texture balanced. Once churned, allow the gelato to finish hardening in the freezer for about 3 to 4 hours, then it's ready to serve. For tips on serving gelato at the right temperature, be sure to check out the video on our channel. Creamy, sweet, and perfectly tangy, this is everything you want in a cherry gelato. Buon appetito! No spreadsheets, no complicated calculations, just real Italian gelato made easy. For more gelato tips, recipes, and tutorials, check out the other videos on my channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Want to learn more? Join me inside Gelato Lab for advanced recipes, smart scaling tools, and flavor development guidance built for homemakers and professionals alike. Or visit my websites for free and premium resources, gelato FAQs, and consulting support. Thanks for watching.
Ooh, gelato!